was just nice to look at and to listen to the water go through the rocks.
Okay.
But
Okay.
Rio,
Yep.
and I would say, yeah, I think that's it. Oh,
No, no, no.
Portugal, Lisbon,
Portugal.
Portugal.
Like South
hmm
Portugal, or what beaches were you at in Portugal?
I was at the ones in Lisbon.
Lisbon. Okay. Cool. 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 Hey, man, my man's a world traveler, like you mentioned. You got the European, got the Northeast Brazil vibe. Now, we, of course, North South America, Peru. And KG, what about you?
Yeah, I think a beach town is like if you're going somewhere as a couple or you're going there with your shorty, a beach
Yeah.
town is good because it's like it could be very intimate, it could be playful, you can do different activities.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the beach town's a good move.
Now, can you give us maybe one or two of your favorite spots?
Um, in Budia Island in Tanzania, like that beach is beautiful.
Mhm.
Like pretty much any beach in Bali, like Bali, Indonesia is just beautiful. All the beaches there are nice. Zanzibar is cool. But if you're looking for like a vibe type beach and you like it's a party, you could try Coco Beach in Entebbe, Uganda, or you can go to like Phuket. What's that beach called? The one on Bangala. There's a lot of foreigners in there in Thailand.
Mm-hmm. No, no, but Phuket's beautiful. So, speaking of Zanzibar, I know a lot of people are interested in Zanzibar. When would you recommend to go to Zanzibar?
Paje, Paje is good. Like if you're not like trying to go crazy, but if you don't, your budget's unlimited. You can go to Kendall Watts. That's where like the luxury hotels are. There's a lot of nice restaurants, not a lot of nice scenery, but it is a little pricey.
Okay,
But if you Paje is cool though. If you're just trying to go check it out.
okay. And is there a certain season, certain couple months that you would recommend someone to go, whether it's solo or as a couple?
I mean, Paje is like a touristy. That's where the beach is at. If you're trying to be like on the city side, there's Stone Town, but ain't much to do in Stone Town. There's like two clubs there, but like the Zanzibar, I feel like Zanzibar is not a place that you go to like party and hang out. It's kind of like a honeymoon type couples vibe. You go there, y'all sit on the beach, y'all get drinks. But I wouldn't recommend like a single guy go there.
Okay, okay. And Kaylee, last but not least, when it comes to a vacation, a holiday, whether you're going with somebody or you're going solo, what do you prefer? Do you prefer cities, mountain, beach? Like, what is like an ideal holiday or vacation spot for you?
I don't want to lie, I've never been on a vacation. Like I've
Okay,
never went to another country like I've always been here. So
okay,
if I were like to go on a vacation, I would definitely like choose like a beach site, like just like everyone else, because it's open, it's nice over there. There's waves, everything, like it's nice. So I would choose the beach site.
okay. No, thank you, thank you. So I'm assuming everyone here, Austin, KG, obviously Kaylee, you guys have all spent like maybe like a couple weeks or been to South Africa, right?
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Kaylee, being our South African representative, what are some like tell us a little bit about the dating culture. What are some of the norms in South Africa that may be a little bit different from, let's say, America or South America? What are some of those like the dating culture that people may tell us something about the dating culture that we may not know about for those who haven't been in South Africa?
Well, I would say polygamy,
Polygamy.
you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, most men here in South Africa prefer like having more women than focusing on one person. So that's one of the things. And then
Hmm.
secondly, oh, this is a little bit dramatic. Secondly, fuck. No, I'm gonna keep it on that one. I'm not gonna say the other one. I don't want to be attacked. It's okay.
No, 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 no. You get no, no. This is a
No
safe
way.
space. Now, this is a safe space. KG, Austin, everyone here is a gentleman. So go ahead. No, if you don't feel comfortable, don't say it. But if you do feel comfortable, feel free to share how you're feeling or your thoughts.
Well, I would say if you are someone's girlfriend or wife here in South Africa, and you're dating with that person, and if that person is not able to have children, you as a
Oh,
boyfriend or as a husband, you have to live with the sister of your girlfriend to get a baby, and that baby will be yours, you couple.
and that's
Do you guys
part
do
that's
that in America?
no. I mean, look, if your wife or girlfriend can't have a baby, you don't just automatically just slide to the sister. I'm not saying people have it or people don't, but that I mean that's diabolical. That's crazy work to just be sliding to the sister just because you can't have a baby. Yeah, I mean I'll have Austin and KG speak their piece, but I can't say I don't think people are going for that. But yeah, go ahead, KG.
Yeah, nah, that shit sound
I
crazy as
mean,
hell. Like, just slide to the
human is
sister. But you want me to answer a question though about like what I noticed about South African dating?
Yeah. Well, what are some of the norms you notice that may be different from some of the other places you've been, whether it's East Africa, Central Africa, or even states in South America?
Yeah. So what I noticed
no, this is
about
the room
dating in South
that
Africa is basically like the United States, if not worse than the United States. Cause
Word.
like
you hold
yeah, like worse, like
you with
cause like they have the same characteristics of American women, but they try to like amplify it. Now, I'm not saying all women. This is just the women I countered when we were
Okay.
there, when we was in Johannesburg, and I'll say Durban's a little bit better, but going there to date seems like it's very, 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 very difficult. Like they
Really?
will give you a headache because you can't even say hello to a woman. If you say hello
What
to the
do you
woman, they're
mean
gonna
about
roll
that?
their eyes. Like, what? Wait. If you say hello to a girl, she's
Yeah.
gonna roll her eyes and shake her head. She's gonna
Damn.
give you an attitude. Like, it's worse than like going to like. Have you been to New York? Have you been to New
Yeah,
York City?
absolutely. Uh-huh.
I can't hear you.
No,
Am
I've
I
been in New
frozen?
York. Yeah. No, I can hear you. I can see you.
Yeah. So you know how like city girls be having attitudes?
Yep.
Like
City girls.
their attitude is the same in like Johannesburg. It's a little bit better in Durban, but like their attitude's the worst. Like one time I went up to a girl and she just like rolled her eyes and was like, "Oh," and I'm like, "Damn! Like you can't say hello here."
Damn, like that?
It's Yeah, it's like that. I mean, Austin can confirm this because he was with me.
Damn. Austin, go ahead and speak your piece, brother.
Yeah, actually, if I've said this 1,000 times now, if I would have started in South Africa for my first country outside the United States, I would have never moved out of the United States because I would have just thought the whole world was the same at that point.
Whoa. Like that? Same experience. You can't say
Yeah,
hello, you're cordial.
yeah, I like he said, you couldn't say hello. They were rude as hell for no reason. And then I
Hmm.
was starting to get like a scarcity mindset because of all that. Because it's like shit, like I don't even have as many options because you can't even fucking speak to them.
Yeah. And you guys, and this is primarily in Johannesburg. Did you notice a difference in other cities, or was it just all around South Africa?
In Durban, it got better, but it was the
Okay.
same thing.
So Kaylee, can you speak towards that in Durban or Johannesburg? The women being standoffish, a bit rude. Is that again part of the culture? Is that normal? What are your thoughts?
Can you repeat the question, please? I couldn't hear you.
So we were asking what are some of the norms, like what's kind of normal in South Africa compared to maybe other parts of East Africa, America, or South America. KG and Austin were saying that
When
when they were in what was that?
when you go to the mall, is that what you're asking?
No, he was KG and Austin were saying that some of the women in Johannesburg, you can't talk to them. Like they don't want to be spoken to. You can't say hello. They're not really friendly like they are in other places. Would you agree? Would you disagree?
Yeah, I would agree because most women, when they go out, they literally just wanna be left alone. They don't want to be greeted, be talked to, or anything. They just be like, "Leave me the fuck alone. I'm here to shop,
Mhm.
do whatever I want to do," and then they leave. They be like that. literally. Especially the ones that are in relationships, they don't even like wanna look at you. They just wanna do whatever they wanna do, and then they that's it.
Wow.
Now,
Is it rude to
Wow.
you guys? You guys
I
no,
mean, that shit sound crazy as hell. Yo,
That's
Wall. I think Label's in the back. She was texting something. But can I respond to what she just said? Like,
go ahead.
oh, okay, so when women are outside, they just want to be left the hell alone. So how are men and women supposed to meet each other? Like, if you can't say hello to somebody, how are you going to find a boyfriend, find a husband, find anybody?
I mean, like, if
Kaylee?
she's like already not responding to you, that means that she has a boyfriend and she doesn't want to talk to you, or she's just having PMS on her period. She's just angry or what, or something like that. I don't know.
those are excuses.
Wait, so she's PMS in 30 days out the month.
Every day.
I thought PMS was like a week.
Now,
What?
Kaylee, let's say we're at a restaurant, mall, whatever. Or what are some of them